Hi. Now we'll see how to interact with the ArcGIS online cloud license server. So what we'll do, we'll simply connect the OpenLM server directly to the cloud license server. So let's see how it's done. First, you should open up the OpenLM server configuration tool. Configure OpenLM server, start here. Then you click Add to add a new server. And you will have two servers for the same license manager. You will have one for allocations, meaning the total amount of licenses that you have. And one will be for the usage itself, the concurrent usage. So let's start with the allocation one. First of all, after we've added it, select type ArcGIS online, give it a name with allocations or quantity or total amount, whatever you choose. Time zone will be UTC. Leave this unchecked. Under host name, you'll need to get your admin username .arcgis.com, and the port will be 443, but you'll put it here and not here. Here you'll just put 1, and when we click change the username and password, now this is username and password of the cloud license manager, the one that you use to log in to the cloud portal. So if it's a secure connection, which mostly is, have this checked, filling the password and username, and click OK. After that, you'll be able to click Test, and you should see license output, which kind of looks like this, popping up on the screen here. So this is allocations. This is total quantity of licenses. Now let's set one up for the usage itself. So we'll add another one. Select type ArcGIS online. Now we'll give it a name with the usage in it, because we will be tracking the usage with this license server. So again, it's UTC time, but now this checkbox should be checked. The host name, of course, is the same, but port is port 2. Again, here, password and username should be the cloud portal user and admin that you use. So after you click OK, you can click Test, and you'll be able to see the license output. So what's the difference between the two? Let's try and spot the differences. So only two differences between the two, 3 actually. Allocation, you name it allocation. You uncheck this one, and port is 1. The other one, it's usage. This is checked, and this is 2. So that's the only difference between the two. Now after you apply, if it asks you to restart, then restart. Then when you go to the interface itself, let me take you to that interface. Then you'll have 2 license servers that will represent the one cloud license server. So let's check it out. There we go. We have one for the usage. I have 45 users using right now, and one for the allocation. And if you'd like to show them together on the same graph, let's try and do that. We'll select both the cloud license manager, ArcGIS Cloud Allocations. We'll select, let's say, this one. And now we'll select cloud usage. And again, we'll select this feature. Let's see what we have. So this is what we get. One of them will show usage, and the other one shows the total amount of licenses. So for this feature, I have 5 licenses, and like 4 are currently in use. And that's it. Thanks. Bye.